wanted to give you a super quick tip about lighting and why it's important to be in front of a window or have really good lighting. Like, for example, one of these. As you can see, I'm right in front of my window and the lighting is so much better right here. It just doesn't even look the same. You'll still get the video, but it's just so different. So just go in front of a window. Another thing is make sure that you're aware of your background. So if you take a look here, I have all of my products that I give away to my clients versus, let's go back here. I purposely picked this area because it's clean. You can see, you know, my wall is clean, but I also have it to where you can see, so it is a room. You could see my certificates. You could see that it is an office, but it's not messy, this, and dark. So look around at a little corner that you have in your home. I'm gonna give you another example. Little couch. So look how cute this is. I got this from Tezza. You can get all of these different colors. This is obviously my couch, and it's a super cute area that I can make a cute video if I want to, alive, and it's like, it's not that big. You can do this too. So those are my 2 super quick tips regarding lighting. So find a corner in your home, in your workspace, office, if you're gonna start doing videos and reels, especially if they're educational, and you can start branding yourself.